This is a very, very important day for India and Indian defense sector and also for Tata Group and Airbus. And I will fail in my duty if I forget to mention that this project was originally conceived more than a decade ago in 2012 by the then Tata Sons chairman, Sri Ratan Tata Ji, who led the whole concept to build a relationship with Airbus and created this partnership with Airbus and laid the foundation stone for this opportunity. So I would like to remember Sri Ratan Tata for his visionary leadership in this very path-breaking initiative. It is a historic moment not only for the Tata Group, but also for India, and this project embraces the true Atmanirbhar vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi Ji. Made in India aircraft, where the aircraft parts manufacturing as well as the full assembly of the aircraft and the integration is being done for the first time in India by private sector. This project will propel India into the next generation of advanced manufacturing. It will build a diverse and sophisticated skills ecosystem as well as a very strong supplier base. More importantly, give a lot of high-tech opportunities for our entrepreneurs and youth.